Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a CSV file of submissions in Jotform Report Builder. This is incredibly useful when you need to export your form data into a spreadsheet format for analysis, record keeping, or sharing with your team. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform account. This is your main hub where all your forms and submissions are stored. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see My Workspace, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This takes you to a complete overview of all the forms you've created and managed within your account. Here you can see everything at a glance, making it easy to locate the specific form you need. Now find and select the form that contains the submissions you want to export. Simply click on the form's name to open it. Once you've selected the correct form, check the box beside the form name to ensure it's properly selected. This step is important because it tells Jotform which form's data you'll be working with. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Reports, and from the options that appear, select Add New Report. This is where you'll begin building your CSV export. Jotform's Report Builder offers various ways to view and export your data, but for our purposes, we're focusing on the CSV format. From the list of report types that appears, choose CSV Report. This format is perfect because it creates a file that can be opened in Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet application, making your data highly accessible and easy to work with. Now comes the customization phase. You'll see a list of fields that will be included in your CSV file. Take a moment to review these carefully. If there are any fields you don't need, such as IP address or submission ID, simply uncheck them to exclude them from your export. This helps keep your CSV file clean and focused on only the data that matters to you. Additionally, you have the option to set a custom report name, which can help you stay organized if you create multiple reports. You can also add password protection if your data is sensitive and needs an extra layer of security. Once you've customized everything to your liking, click the Create button. Jotform will process your request and generate the CSV file based on your specifications. You may need to wait a moment while the report is being created, especially if you have a large number of submissions. And there you have it. You've successfully created a CSV file of your Jotform submissions through the Report Builder. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.